welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm gonna be showing you how to do an outfit on Brookhaven. So first, okay, you need to get this skin, guys. This, so you can get this. Now, first you need to just write search blonde and add extension. Add S, okay. Okay. Let's see. No. Okay, I'm just add this. Okay. Okay, that. And blonde twirls. Like that. Mm, or that with this. Oh, this. Now for the outfit. Oh, oh. I okay. Hold on. So search. Right. Okay. Now pick this. Like no. Just so I like. I just saw hit this. Pick that and search. That 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, try this. Yes, that. And now here, search eyelash. This. Huh? Huh? No. No. What? That. Okay. Eyelash, then cute eyes. This, the second one. Now go here, then here. Scroll down and pick this. Okay, now stick to this. Next, Teddy. Okay, this. And this is and that and this. This is the jump, the vampire jump, and the fall. This and that. Okay, final look. Do you like it, guys? Wait. There's one more, guys. That, oh my god. Okay. And these are my outfits that I saved. Those are my outfits. This is the outfit that I mostly use. So, so bye guys. Bye.